Hi, my name is Stephen Magee, and I'm the author of Hypoxia, Mental Illness and Chronic Fatigue. And we're here to talk about the super toxic Salem Police Department. So this is a Salem Police Department report that I've obtained. I had an encounter with a very unexpected encounter with the Salem Police Department. These reports cost about $23 to obtain from them. So I'm going to show you the videos that relate to that. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. My complaint is actually about these people, the groundskeepers of the park. They're in various locations. When I walked into the park, they started harassing me. I was just minding my own business. And I need to file a police report about it. So they're in force today for some reason in the park, and they engaged in all kinds of weird harassment behaviors with me. So I'd like to report that, and I need a case number. I also need to file a police complaint against the sheriff who was in attendance and did nothing.
Okay. So for starters, they work here, Stephen. It's the city parks for the city of Salem. Okay, they're doing work. All right, and case number, I will get you a case number. I'll be taking a report.
Okay.
And you need to call the sheriff if you want to file a complaint against a deputy.
Can I have that number?
You're an adult, you can find it. It's on the internet.
Okay, so I'd like you to give me the number of the sheriff.
It's not going to happen.
I don't believe he knows I'm a police corruption researcher, so that's the other funny thing going on with this police report. If you have an encounter with the Salem Police Department, I wish you the very best of luck, because you are totally going to need it. You're going to find yourself in a very, very toxic situation at times with this particular police department. I just feel so sorry for you if you come into contact with them. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.